Good morning, Dr. Vijay, Bhaskar, Chairman, Ethics Committee, Clinical Research and Trials, Masters in Orthopedics. Today we are discussing about the bone. Bone is a cumulative tissue, has a lot of trabecular pattern, cortex, and then it has a lot of minerals, calcium, vitamin D, and then nutritious supplements to the bone. Bone has a capacity to strengthen your body. Bone has a capacity to give a shape to your body. Bone has a capacity to produce the new blood corpuscles or blood from the marrow. Bone has a capacity to give stability to entire body. So when bone strength is not good enough, that means you will have a multiple problems like major like fractures, major like tissue degeneration, major like formation of blood corpuscles will be reduced, and then there is a leading to a bony injuries with the trivial injuries. I mean to say, even though bone is such a strong tissue, when the bone is weak, I mean to say vitamin D, calcium deficiency persists, even a small injury like falling down from the steps or falling down from the chair or falling down from the bed, like trivial and a simple injuries can lead to fractures of the bone. This is the most important we have to realize. After the age of 45, there is a post-menopausal. When there is a menstrual cycle is stopped, there will be changes in the hormonal balance, leads to vitamin D, calcium deficiency. Such people may go into fractures, and sometimes they will be having a muscle weakness, bone weakness, leads to severe pain in the joints and bones. So like that, such conditions, we need to have a balanced diet. I mean to say, it has to be taken every day, a complete comprehensive balanced diet. I mean to say, a balanced carbohydrate, protein, fat and mineral food. Apart from this, natural foods like green vegetables, green salads, and to have along with, we need to have a supplement like vitamins. So apart from that, you need to have a complete comprehensive water content into your body, which has a lot of minerals. Water has a magnesium, phosphorus and other minerals, which minerals will support you to the bones to strengthen itself. In our body, there will be about 80% of liquid content, it has a water content. That amount of water content can be balanced with the proper taking of water with good minerals. So when we have a mineralized water in our body with a good supplements like protein, carbohydrate and fat, which balances and maintains the strength of the bone. So the bone cumulatively has a lot of power to run, walk, work better than before, or else you can have a better professional life in your body. So the bone strength to be maintained properly should have a properly wear and tear, should have a properly utilized in your services. You shouldn't misuse your bones, nor you should not overact with your bones, where leads to a lot of injury to the bones, leads to a ligament injury, tendons injury, muscles injury, as well as the bone fractures. So likewise, what I suggest is bone strength is most important to your body. Like even bone, you need a vitamin D, which is the supplement from the sun rays. Unless until you expose your skin more often to the sun rays, you may not get vitamin D. That is called cholecalciferol. That cholecalciferol is produced through the sun rays into your skin. Underneath your skin, there will be cholecalciferol production in your body, leads to vitamin D production. The calcium and vitamin D need to be balanced to run around in your throughout your life to maintain the bone strength. So what I mean to say, you need to take a balanced diet. You should do a regular exercises to strengthen your bone by muscle activity, and then you need to take a good mineralized balanced diet to have a powerful bone strength.